Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle the Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So go to the settings, now click on Wi-Fi, it's almost up top. And now here, disable it, so toggle it off for a couple of seconds. We'll give it a few seconds, like 3 seconds. They just passed, so let me just enable it. As you guys can see, we're connected back, but if you still got a problem, then you can forget and reconnect to the network. So let me just go here. Now let's click forget the network and click OK. Now all we gotta do is basically enter the password. So I'll see you guys once I enter it. Now after entering the password, what we can do, if there's still some issues, we can restart the router and the phone. So I cannot restart the router right now, so I'll show you how to easily restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now scroll down to reboot and let go of your finger. Now all you gotta do is just wait for your phone to turn back on, so I'll see you guys once mine is back. So now after the restart, what you guys can do is check for software updates in the settings. So it's very important. It could also be the issue of the settings with your software. So go to About Phone, go to Xiaomi HyperOS, and now as you guys can see, I have no updates available. So that basically means I'm running the latest version, and I will recommend you guys to run the latest version too. And if that didn't work, then as a last resort, go to factory reset and here click erase all data. Now enter your PIN, so let me enter it again. And here click first backup to back up every single thing like your personal belongings on the device, and then click factory reset. So after that, you will be able to basically get your phone back to the default settings, and it should help a lot. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.